So this will be the second video uh, that I'm going to put up. I'm actually doing it first, but that's irrelevant to this. So depending on how the I get everything set up, these images may or may not appear in the class, and so I want to show you what they're talking about. Uh, on certain quizzes, you're going to have matching questions like this. So the answer key is expect something like that in whatever the order is. Okay. If you have anything other than that or that, it will count the answer wrong. Even though you may have it right, it'll count it wrong. So I will accept those. I will accept this. Um, I'll accept something like that. I will not accept anything like that or that. Okay. What it boils down to is this: keep it simple. If I have to decipher what you're trying to put in for an answer, I will leave it counted wrong. Okay. It's very simple. It is B, C, D, A, E. Okay. Or B, C, D, A, E, B, C, D, A, E. Something like that. Okay. Just keep it simple. That's all it is. If I can't look at it and within a few seconds figure out whether you've got it right or not, I'm going to assume you have it wrong. And then you're going to have to justify it to me, and you're going to have to send it to me and say, one was B, two was C, three was A, four was E, five was D. Okay. So, it's really not that difficult. Just put the letters in the order that they're supposed to be. Um, And the reason I'm doing this, the reason I'm making the video and I'm being more direct about it is because even when I have the pictures at the top, even when I have all the instructions set up and all that, I get students who will purposely or whatever put in strange answers that make no sense. And it'll be hit or miss. They will do it right on like 5 quizzes, and then they'll do it wrong for 8 quizzes. And it's just random when they do it. So I want to make sure that you guys put the answers the way they need to be because one, it makes it so that it grades it better, and two, it makes it so that I don't have to spend hours on end trying to decipher the answers. And that actually makes it better for you as well. So thank you.